Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making a quick, delicious cabbage pie that'll be ready in minutes. So let's get started. To get started making our cabbage pie, we're going to have to trim off some of these outer leaves. Okay. Now we need to cut this in half. Alright, save that for something else. Here we go. Now we can cut the core out of this. Just make like a little V groove. Take that out. Now we can just turn that over like that, and we can start slicing it up. And we get what we want, we just stop and save the rest for something else. Now if you want them a little smaller, like in half, you can cut them in half. And there you have it right there. Just like coleslaw. Put them in a bowl. Now that's only like a little over a quarter cabbage there. So that's quite a bit. I don't know if we're going to use all that, but we can save what we don't use. Now we just chop up some green peppers. I got them in half already, so it's just like one little pepper. Alright, just bunch them together. Chop them up. Alright, that ought to do it. Now just put them right in the bowl with the cabbage. And we got a little red pepper here, like a quarter. That'll add some nice color to it. I didn't want to waste it. I made something the other day and I figured why not just go ahead and put it in here. Okay, now you just put that right in there. In the bowl with the cabbage and green peppers. All the peppers go in. Now we just add a small carrot. Now we just use our box grater and grate up our carrot. You gotta watch your fingers. This will grate them up too. Okay, that ought to do it. Put that right in a bowl. Now we just add one slice of onion, chopped. Just put them in a bowl. And I'm going to put the rest in here. Now we're going to just use maybe 4 slices of tomato. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we'll put them on a plate. Now we just cut up some green onions. Put them in a bowl. Now we just chop up some spinach leaves. Put them in the bowl. And now we get ready to beat up some eggs. 4 of them. Just whisk them up, beat them up. Add a little bit of salt. Add a little bit of pepper. I like pepper. Add some garlic. I'll beat them up. Now we got to get ready to cook. Set your burner to medium-low. Add some oil to the pan. Add our cabbage, onions, peppers, everything to this pan. All the green peppers, red peppers, onions. Okay, and then we got to let that cook down a little bit. Alright, let's stir it around a little bit. Okay, now we got to cover that and let it cook down just a little bit. Alright, let's give them another quick stir. Starting to get tender. Cover them, let them cook for a little bit more. All right. I think it's, yep, it's about time to add our eggs. All right, let's add our eggs. All right, let's cover it and let her cook for a while. Let's give her a quick check. Looks pretty good. Now if you want to, you can add some ham chunks to that. In this case it's Spam. I put a little bit around. Or you can have any kind of ham, any kind of chicken, anything you want on there. Really. I'm just going to put a few little pieces of Spam around there, chunked up. Yeah, that looks good. And we're going to add our tomatoes. Just like that. And we're going to garnish it with a little bit of green onion mixed in. And then we're going to add some cheese. We got to add a little bit of cheese. What the heck? Add more cheese. Yeah, that didn't look like enough cheese, so I figure why not add a little more? Now we're going to add a little more green onion. And I'm going to put some spinach leaves on top. And maybe we'll spritz it with a little more ham. Or Spam. Alright, that ought to do something. That's quite a bit in there. Now we just got to cover it and let everything melt. You thought I forgot, didn't you? You probably saw it. I got these chopped onions here I'm going to put on top, just a little spritz. Yeah, that ought to be good. Okay, Now we'll cover it and let that cook. Let everything melt. Alright, let's give her a check. Yep, everything's melted. Now all we have to do is plate that up. Add a little salt. Add a little pepper. I like pepper. Alright, let's get that plated up. That looks good. Alright, let's see if we can plate that up. Come on. Oh yeah. That's a good one. That's a good one. Beautiful looking, isn't it? Take a look. I bet you that is really tasty. Let's see if we can cut into it. Yep, looks good. Alright, let's see if we can get a piece of that out of there. It looks good. Let's get it. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, I bet you that's another good one with the cabbage in there and the ham, green peppers, red peppers, cheese, onions, green onions. I bet you can't beat that right there. And there we have it, folks. Another good one. Yeah, I just gotta have a little taste. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Oh, I wish you could taste that. Wow. Got flavor. Man, you can't beat this one. This is another good one. Well, there you have it, guys. A quick, delicious cabbage pie. That'll be ready in minutes. I wish you could taste it because it's good. I can't wait to get into that tomato. Yeah, so today I'm not even going to worry about cleaning up the kitchen right now. This is so good, this cabbage pie. I'm just looking for a cold drink, and I'm just going to sit down and enjoy a piece of that pie right there. Wow, does that look good? That sounds good.